The Pearl Harbor Memorial Bridge, commonly referred to as the Q Bridge by locals, is an extradosed bridge that carries Interstate 95 over the mouth of the Quinnipiac River in New Haven, Connecticut. An extradosed bridge employs a structure that combines the main elements of both a pre-stressed box girder bridge and a cable-stayed bridge. Compared to a cable-stayed or cantilever girder bridge of comparable span, an extradosed bridge uses much shorter stay towers or pylons than the cable-stayed bridge, and a significantly shallower deck/girder structure than used on the girder bridge. This bridge replaced the original 1,300-meter span, which opened on January 2, 1958. It was fully opened in September 2015. Its total length is 4,735 feet, the longest span is 515 feet.